everybody, have you ever wondered what the history of the Great Kong is? Well, it started when Kong wanted to have Europe as its own country. Then he fought Europe and won. Then he fight and he created the Mongol Empire. It was a great big place, but one thing that even Kong was stopped by it. It was an ice glacier. People from the mountains have grown it so that Kong will not disturb them. So now let's know about wild glacier and homemade glacier. Let's find out. Well, wild glacier needs three things: time, which can take centuries, and snowfall, which must be near the North Pole or South Pole, and cold temperature. Because if it's hot temperature, then all the ice will melt. But homemade is different. People believe the glaciers are alive, so they believe there are male and female. So they take a little bit of snow from the male and a little bit from the female, and they form them into a ball, which they cover in charcoal, wheat or leaves, cloth or willow branches. But there's another kind of ice glacier. It is the horizontal. It's the people will take water from an already made ice glacier. Then they would take a pipe and pump the water into a rock pool, which is only made of sand and rock. So then the people waited. The people controlled the water. The people waited for the water they had put into that pond to froze. Then they add more waves of water. And now about the vertical. The water from the ready-made ice glacier was pumped into a pipe just like before. But this time, the pipe did not go into the pool, but it goes straight into the air. Then a fountain of water shot out. But in the winter, that fountain water changed. And just as the water came out from the pipe, it froze and became a huge stupa. So it looked like an upside down ice cream cone. Well, but now we know about wild glaciers and homemade glaciers. How do it help us anyway? Well, it helps us to have water to drink, and we have water to feed the crops. So now you know all about how to grow ice glaciers. I hope you learned a lot today and you